The eggshells can be used to grow flowers, both to supplement calcium and to loosen the soil. Mash it up, seal and soak with 100 milliliters rice vinegar for 3 days. Filter the rice vinegar and save it for next use. Sprinkle the soaked eggshells into the pot soil. Plants drink not only leaves but also flowers. It can also regulate soil pH, promote rooting and branching.
Using sweet and sour liquid to prevent insects in fruits and vegetables. Not a single insect, green, and environmentally friendly. Today, I will teach you make it at home. This recipe uses 2 grams of white sugar, 2 ounces of vinegar, 30 grams of urea, and 30 pounds of water. This is the sweet and sour liquid. Spray our fruits and vegetables. It can both prevent insects and increase production.
Teach you how to grow wallflowers with brown sugar. Brown sugar plus white vinegar is ferrous sulfate can adjust soil pH. Brown sugar plus yeast powder is a rooting agent can make plants grow hard roots. Brown sugar plus beer is vitality can make plants sprout. Brown sugar plus garlic is flowering powder, promote the blooming of plants.
There is no big yard at home. Let's plant this big taro. Just put it in the soil. Half a year, it can grow large leaves more than 2 meters high. It is the big leaf purple jade. Very strong vitality. Can be grown in pot. It feels like a tropical rainforest. When using, just bury the rhizomes in the soil to show the tip of the teeth. Water thoroughly before germination. No need to water again. New leaves will grow in about half a month.
5 fertilizer knowledge you must know. 1. Onion water is phosphorus fertilizer. Promote early flowering. 2. Carrot water is potash fertilizer. Makes the plant branches thicker. 3. Beer dilution's nitrogen fertilizer. Can make leaves shiny. 4. White vinegar water is ferric sulfate. Adjusts soil pH for acid-loving plants. 5. Soybean water is potassium dihydrogen sulfate. Promote plant rooting and germination. Grow more buds.